6 signs your car needs an alignment before it's too late. If your car pulls to one side, your tires wear out too fast, or your steering wheel feels shaky, you might think it's no big deal. The truth is that those are warning signs that your car is begging for an alignment, and ignoring them could cost you hundreds or even cause an accident. In this video, I'm going to reveal 6 signs your car needs an alignment before it's too late. This is Tiresho, the channel that brings you simple tire and road safety tips every driver should know. If it's your first time here, then it's time to join our growing community of smart drivers who are already watching by subscribing and hit that notification button so you don't miss a new video every week. Now, let's go to the main point. Sign number 1. Your car pulls to the left or right when you're trying to drive straight. If you have to constantly correct the steering wheel just to stay in your lane, that's not normal. That's your wheels literally fighting against each other. Not only is this unsafe, but it also puts way more stress on your suspension and tires. Sign number 2. Uneven or rapid tire wear. You should check your tires. If one side of the tread looks bald while the other still looks new, that's a huge red flag. Misalignment forces your tires to grind down unevenly, which means you'll need to replace them way sooner than expected. And let's be real, tires are not cheap at all. Sign number 3, your steering wheel isn't straight. When you're driving on flat road, your steering wheel should sit perfectly centered. If it's tilted, even when the car is going straight, your alignment is off. A crooked steering wheel may not seem like a big deal, but it's actually your car's way of screaming, telling you that something is wrong down here. Sign number 4, vibrating or shaky steering wheel. Your steering wheel vibrates or shakes. This one's tricky because shaking can also come from other issues like unbalanced tires. But if it happens mostly when you're driving at higher speeds, alignment could be the culprit, and the longer you ignore it, the worse it gets. Sign number 5, strange noises when turning. Unusual noises when you're turning. If you hear squealing, creaking, or clunking, your misalignment might already be putting extra pressure on your suspension system. That means the damage isn't just in your tires, it's starting to affect more expensive parts of your car. Finally, sign number 6, poor handling, loose steering. Your car just feels off when driving. Maybe it feels like it's drifting, maybe the steering feels loose, or you just don't feel fully in control. You need to trust your guts because cars aren't supposed to feel unpredictable. If it feels unsafe, seek for mechanic advice. So, there you have it, 6 clear signs your car needs an alignment. The truth is, getting an alignment isn't expensive compared to the damage it prevents. For the cost of a dinner out, you could save yourself from burning through new tires, ruining your suspension, or worse, losing control of your car when you need it most. If you noticed any of these signs in your own car, don't wait. Book an alignment check as soon as possible. If you want to drive safe and save money, then watch this video popping up next here. Hidden tire damage you can't see. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss new video every week. God bless.